Good morning, students of class 6. Welcome back to the biology class. In our previous class, we had started the first chapter, that is the leaf. And you remember, we studied about the different parts of the plant, that root system, shoot system is there. Then we studied about what is root system, what is shoot system. Now today, without wasting time, let's start with the next topic, that is the leaf. Okay, what is leaf? Leaf is the green, flat part of the plant which arises from the stems and branches. So what is leaf? If you have to write the definition, you can write that leaf is a thin, flat and expanded structure. It is a green, flat, thin structure that grow on the stems and branches. So what is leaf? Leaf is a green part of the plant. That green structure, the thin structure, the flat structure which is expanded so that it can prepare food for the plant is called leaf. Now, from where does the leaf grow? Like if you see this diagram, this is the stem. From the stem, directly the leaf will grow. So this part of the stem, from where the leaf grow, is called node. So it grow directly from the nodes of the stem. Leaves grow directly from the nodes of the stem. Node is a part of the plant from where part of the stem from where the leaf arises. This structure is called node. And since it is green in color, you know the leaves are green in color. Generally, all of them are green, except few of them which are of different color. So they prepare food for the plant. Because leaves are green in color, you can write here. Leaves are green in color. Leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll is a pigment which gives color to the plants, the green color. So leaves are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? It is the name of the pigment which gives green color. And due to this chlorophyll and the green color, the leaves make food for the plant. So that's why they are called kitchen of the plant, isn't it? That is the place where food is prepared in the plants. Okay, now let's study next the parts of a leaf. What are the different parts of a leaf? A leaf has broadly two main parts. Okay, what are they? Number one is petiole. Number two, it is known as the lamina. The other name of that lamina, it is called leaf blade. So next is a typical leaf consists of how many parts? Two parts. A typical leaf has two parts. What are these two parts? Number A, it is called leaf petiole. I will write leaf stalk. Why to write? Okay. The word petiole. Petiole means the stalk of the leaf, and the second one, it is known as leaf blade. Okay, leaf blade. Leaf blade is also known as lamina. Like this one is the leaf blade. The entire structure is called leaf blade from here. And this one, this part is called, this one is called petiole, the stalk. The stalk of the leaf by which the leaf is attached to the stem is called petiole. And this entire structure, the green flat portion, this one, it is known as lamina. 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 Also called leaf blade. Understood? So there are two main parts of the leaf. What are they? First one is petiole. The second one is leaf blade. Now let's continue with that. What is leaf? First you have to learn. Leaf is a green flat structure that grows from the stems and branches. What is the function? It is green in color. It helps to make food during photosynthesis. Okay. Now next we are studying about the parts of the leaf. Now first one is petiole. What is petiole? That we have to study, and then the leaf blade. Now what is petiole? Petiole is the stalk that attach the leaf directly to the stem. It is the stalk that attach the leaf to the stem. So if it is asked what is petiole, petiole is the name of given to this stalk, okay, which attach the leaf to the stem. It also provides support to the lamina. This lamina is there, so it is the one which will provide support to it. So second you can write, it holds the leaf blade firmly. Petiole holds the leaf blade firmly means tightly. It holds the leaf blade firmly. F-I-R, firmly means tightly. Because this leaf blade is there, it is the stalk or the petiole which holds it tightly. And the third point you can write, it is the petiole which gives like strength to the leaf so that they can remain attached to the stem. The part of the petiole, one word is there, like this part of the petiole which is attached to the leaf, to the stem near the this one node, it is called leaf base. So that what is the definition of leaf base? Leaf base is part of the petiole that is attached to the stem. Part of the petiole that is attached to the stem is called leaf base. If it is asked what is leaf base means it is the part of the petiole only. Like if I draw it nicely, this one, here is the leaf, then this part of the petiole, it is attached to the stem. It is called leaf base, this part. Okay? So what is leaf base? The part of the petiole that is attached to the stem is called leaf base. Now next, what is leaf blade? The second one. First one is completed. Petiole is the stalk that attach the leaf to the stem. It holds the leaf blade firmly. This entire leaf blade is held firmly or tightly with the help of petiole. And third one is, it is the part of the petiole which is attached to the stem, that is called leaf base. So leaf base is what? It is petiole only. The one which attaches to the stem is called leaf base. Now second one we have to study, that is lamina or the leaf blade. First one is complete. Okay, lamina or leaf blade. Number 2 or number B is written, no? B. Lamina or leaf blade. Okay, leaf blade. Now what is lamina or leaf blade? This entire green flat part of the leaf, this is called lamina. Entire part from here to here, all. Okay, and one point is that it is the flat expanded part of the leaf. Lamina is the flat expanded, this is comma, it is the flat expanded part of the leaf. The flat expanded part of the leaf is known as leaf blade or lamina. Okay, now you can see many structures are there in that lamina. Like if I draw a diagram here, you can see in the middle one rib there, no? Now what is this called? The side or the margin, no? So we can say the boundary of the leaf blade is called leaf margin. So I will write it here, M-A-R-G-I-N. And this one, the tip of the leaf, it is called apex, leaf apex. This one is called the midrib, RIB, midrib, and then from here many secondary the branches or the veins arise. Okay, and these veins again branches to form a network-like structure. Okay, so first we have to write it is the flat expanded part of the leaf, and this is the part of the leaf which prepares food for the plant, because here only the chlorophyll is present, not in the petoid. So it is a part of the leaf which prepares food for the plant. It is the part of the leaf which prepares food for the plant. Which prepares food for the plant. Okay, food is prepared in the leaf blade or lamina. Now next we have to study, it's not yet finished, the more characters of this lamina. What are they? Okay, next one. A central vein, this one, a mid vein. A central vein runs in the middle of the leaf. A central vein runs in the middle of the leaf called midrib, M-I-D-R-I-B, midrib, this one. So what is midrib? It is the name given to the central vein which runs on the surface of lamina. Okay, a central vein runs in the middle of the leaf called midrib from the base, this is the base of the leaf, to the apex. Okay, now it is divided into midrib branches into secondary veins and forms a network of veins, and forms a network of veins. Like this one will further branch, and like this it will keep on branching, and a net-like structure will be formed. So first there is a thick middle vein which is called midrib, then this midrib will branch further, okay, to form the secondary ribs, and they will further branch to form the tertiary ribs. Like this, a net-like structure of ribs or these veins is formed. Okay, now next, what is the other characteristics of this lamina or the leaf blade? It prepares food, already said. The thinner veins provide support, the last function. What is the function of these veins? It provides support, conduct water, minerals and food to all parts of the plant, or throughout the leaf. Vein, what is the function of lamina? Prepare food. Already we have done that one. Let's write it here now. This point. Okay. Next one. Veins provide support and conduct. What is the function of veins we are studying? Veins provide support. The function of veins in the leaves. It provides support, conduct water, minerals and food. Conduct water, minerals and food throughout the leaf. The function of veins is it provides support, conduct water also, minerals also and food also throughout the leaf. Means from one part of the leaf to the other, the water, minerals and the food are transported. And the second one is, because the veins are present, it's just like a skeletal network. Like in our body we have the bones to provide support. Similarly in the leaves it is the veins which provide support and keeps them banded or open, isn't it? Now next we have to read the types of leaves. Next heading is types of leaves. Okay, so how many types of leaves are there? According to like the presence of, if incision, you know what is the meaning, let me explain it first. The leaf blade or lamina, if it is not divided, it is called a simple leaf. And even if it is divided but the divisions do not reach the midrib, then also it is simple leaf, like in grape. But when the lamina or the leaf blade, this one, is divided into many smaller leaves, then it is called compound leaf. So what? How many types of leaves are there? There are two types of leaves. What are they? Number A, simple leaf, and number B, compound leaf. So if it is asked on what basis the leaves are classified, on the basis of whether the lamina is divided or not, and whether the divisions reach up to the midrib or not. Okay. Now first we have to study is simple leaf. That is simple leaf. What type of leaf is called simple leaf? A leaf in which the lamina is not divided. A leaf, like example you can say mango leaf, in which lamina is not divided. Example, mango. And if the lamina is divided, second point, if the lamina is divided, the divisions do not reach the midrib. The divisions do not reach the midrib. Example of this type of leaf, grape leaf. It is also a simple leaf only. I will show the diagram also. Grape leaf, okay? Like this is the mango leaf. See, there is one leaf. There is no cutting in this lamina. This is example of simple leaf only. Now second one I will show. Like suppose this is the grape leaf. See, lamina is cut. Now see what type of leaf it is. The lamina is not straight. The margin of the leaf you see. Here the margin you see is quite smooth. No changes in this margin, but this margin you see cutting is here. And though someone has taken a scissor and cut this one. But all these cuttings are not reaching up to this midrib. This is the midrib. If it will reach up to here, it will become compound leaf. Got it now? Now second one is compound leaf. So what is how many types of leaves are there? Depending on whether the lamina of the leaf, this one, is cut or not cut. If it is the one which is not divided, this leaf is, the margin is not yet divided into smaller leaves, then it is called simple leaf. A leaf in which lamina is not divided. And if it is divided also, the divisions do not reach up to here, up to the midrib. Such a leaf is called simple leaf. Okay. Now second one is compound leaf. What is compound leaf? Compound leaf. A leaf in which incisions reach up to the, a leaf in which incisions or the lamina is divided up to the midrib. The second nice definition, a leaf in which lamina is divided, a leaf in which lamina is divided, in which the divisions reach up to the midrib. In which the divisions reach up to the midrib is called a compound leaf. Example I have shown. See, these are the incisions, the cuttings are there. But they are not reaching up to the here. If they will reach here, that is called a simple leaf, but here now they will reach up to this midrib also. Now see the diagram of compound leaf. This one is called midrib, the central vein. In case of simple leaf, it is called midrib, but now it is called rachis, R-A-C-H-I-S. Now see how I am cutting this one. In rose plant, you can see this type of compound leaf. Even in neem plant also you can see this type of compound leaf. These all are called leaflets. Understood now? And this one, the central part or the central midrib, it is called rachis, R-A-C-H-I-S. They are called the leaflets. Let me rub this one. Okay, they are called the leaflets. This is the midrib. Now it is known as rachis, and this is the diagram of compound leaf. Where it is found? So what is the second point? In compound leaf, midrib is called as R-A-C-H-I-S. Okay. So a leaf in which lamina is divided, in which divisions reach up to the midrib, is called compound leaf. In compound leaf, the midrib is known by another name known as rachis, and the smaller leaves are called leaflets. The smaller leaves are called leaflets. Okay, finished? Now next we have to study about the differences between simple and compound leaf. Okay, now next one last topic, differences between simple and compound leaf. Only 2-3 differences are there. Simple leaf, this one I will give you as homework also, and compound leaf. You have to do it in copy, write it and learn. Simple leaf and compound leaf. Okay, what is the first difference? Simple leaf. In simple leaf, only one, like the divisions of the leaf do not reach the midrib. So that is, lamina is not divided. Here lamina or the leaf blade is not divided. Here lamina is divided. Lamina or the leaf blade is divided. Divisions are there, no? And the second one, into smaller leaflets. Into leaflets. But here there is no leaflets. So the second difference, lamina is not divided. If the lamina is divided also, it do not reach up to the midrib. That is the second point we have to write. If the lamina is divided, if the lamina is divided, it do not reach up to the midrib. But here in the second point, the divisions of the lamina reach up to the midrib. The divisions of the lamina reach up to the midrib. Reach up to the midrib. Got it? The divisions of lamina reach up to the midrib. Now third point, a bud is present. Bud, you know, bud is a young undeveloped shoot. In the previous class we had done. Like this one is diagram I am drawing. If this is the leaf, the angle which is found between the leaf and the stem, this angle is called axil. So here a bud may be present. This is called axillary bud. So that is the third difference we have to write. A bud is present in the axil of the leaf. Bud is present in the axil of the leaf. An example we can write at last. But here bud is not present in the axil of leaflets. It is present in the axil of compound leaf. A bud is present in the axil of compound leaf. Present in the axil of compound leaf. Not at the leaflets. Means not at the base of leaflets, only at the base of compound. This one, compound leaf, it is present. Now one example of simple leaf: mango, people, guava, or we can write. An example of compound leaf, we can write here neem. We can also write the example of compound leaf rose, etc. So two examples in both cases. Okay. So what we studied today, try to recall. We started our lesson with the leaf. Leaf is a green, flat, thin part of the stem. It is attached with the stem with the help of a node, and it helps to prepare food for the plant. The leaf consists of mainly two parts. In the parts of leaf we studied what are they? The leaf blade, this one, also known as lamina, and the stalk with which it is attached to the stem, that is called petiole. Then we studied what is the function of petiole. It holds the leaf to the stem, it gives support to the leaf, and this petiole also provides support, already I said. Then we studied about the leaf blade or the lamina. It is the part of the leaf where the food is made by photosynthesis. It is flat, green, it consists of a mid vein in the center. Okay, and the middle vein branches into secondary veins, which further branches to form a network of veins. And this, the function of veins is it helps to conduct food, water, minerals to the different parts of the leaf. Then we studied that the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. This side one, that is the margin of the leaf blade, is called leaf margin. The boundary is called leaf margin. Okay. Then we studied about the types of leaves. Okay, after that we studied types of leaf. There are two types of leaf: simple leaf and compound leaf. In simple leaf, what is the definition? A leaf in which there is lamina is not divided. There is no cuttings of the lamina, no divisions. But in compound leaf, lamina is divided into many smaller leaves which are called leaflets. Then second difference, if the lamina is divided also, the divisions will not reach up to the midrib. Like example I said, grape leaf. And in compound leaf, the divisions of the lamina reach up to the midrib. And the third and the last difference, a bud is present. Here this one in the axil of the leaf and the stem. An example, mango and people. In compound leaf, a bud is present in the axil of compound leaf, but not in the leaflets. So today this much only. Thank you. I'll give you the homework. You can do it.